So guys, which one do you think was which? Which side do you think is which? You think the Porpoise did that side, or the R500 did this side, or vice versa? You can kind of see the difference right there, but I want to see what you think in the end. What's going on, guys? So have you ever heard you have to have the highest end, best guns there is to have a good finish? I've heard that so many times, I'm tired of hearing it. So today we have a test panel, and we're going to test out the Porpoise and the R500 and find out if it's true. So stick around and find out yourself. Alright, so we have the Porpoise, the 815, the newest one. So we're going to spray this side, we're going to spray that side, both with base coat, both with the same clear coat, and then we're going to see which one has the best finish in the end. And then that'll tell us, hey, is the $400 gun better than the $50 gun? R500. Let those black off. All right, second coat with the Porpoise. Looks pretty good. And the second coat with 500. Alright, so we have the first coat of clear coat with the Porpoise. Let's see how that goes. And the first coat of clear coat with the R500. Alright, second coat with the Porpoise. Second coat with the R500. Alright, so let's check it out after we got everything going. So that is this side is the Porpoise. This side is the R500. And if you just look between them right here, honestly, the Porpoise, or the R500, lays the clear down slicker than the Porpoise does, because it atomizes way, way better. So there you have it, guys. That tells you right there, you do not have to have an $800,000, whatever gun there is. That's I got that gun for $17 on sale somehow on Temu. 17 bucks. It's originally like 37. I paid almost $400 for the Porpoise. That gun outsprays the Porpoise. I mean, it outsprays, almost outsprays my 5500 because it atomizes better. It's more on par with an Iwata, I would say. That'd be a little better comparison, which I have a 400. Maybe I'll do a video on that. But don't listen to all the hype, guys. Buy whatever you think you need. Now, if you're doing production painting and you're painting 3 cars a day, honestly, I'm going to tell you to buy an $800 gun because it's going to last longer. It's going to last longer than both of those guns, guaranteed. I've had one, and I have 2 of them that I've had for 10 years. I can still spray with them today without a problem. But I just want you guys to see that. Now, if you like budget guns and you don't like $5 ones, check out this video here. This one here is one of my favorite, and I mean favorite budget guns. But that right there shows you guys, you don't need an $800 gun to paint. Right here.